Well, before I show you this, I want to show you something called binary. Now the way this works is you have columns, and each one takes the column before it and doubles it, except for this. This I didn't even mean to write. So it goes down like that. So a 0 in binary would just be a 0. A 1 in binary would be a 1 and zeros beforehand. A 2 in binary would be 1, 0. Because when this can't hold anymore, it carries over. So 3 in binary would look like so. Now, each column is called a bit. So, for each of these, that once it's full, it carries on over to the next bit. Because 3 is the maximum that these two can hold. 1 plus 2, the maximum that can hold is 3. So, you have to go to the next bit. And that's why from here I had to go to here. Once that was maxed out, I do this. So you go in, there's 5, there's 6, there's 7, and then because this is maxed out, the 4s, the 2s, and the 1s, 4 plus 2 plus 1 equals 7, you have to go to the 8. And that's just a binary from 0 to 8. So for 0, you would just write 1, 0. For 1, just 1, 1. For 2, you have to have the 2 and the 1's place. So 1, 0 is 2 in binary. 1, 1 is 3 in binary. 1, 0, 0 is 4, 101, 5, 1, 1, 0, 6, etc. So, that brings us over to what I had made. So there's just some batteries, and then I programmed it so that it starts counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in binary. That's 8, 9, 10. So each time it goes up by 1. There is a pattern though. For every time there's an odd number, this 1 will be on. Because otherwise, all these other numbers are going to be even. So this is going to be on every other single time. Which you can see over here is off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on. Then for over here, it's going to be off, off, on, off, on. So for the 1s, the amount of times that it changes is 1. So it starts up at 0, then it goes 1 once. Then it goes 0 once. For 2, it'll go 0, 0 twice. Then 1 twice. Then 0 twice. Then 1 twice. Same thing with the 4s. It's going to be a 0 4 times, then a 1 4 times. Then for the 8, it's going to be 8 zeros 1 time, and then it will go on to 8 zeros. Then it would have to carry over here to the 16, in which case there'd be 16 zeros. So right there, let me just write down one of these numbers really quick. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. So, this counter just displayed this. So, it's going to be 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. Because each time it's going to be doubling. So, 64 plus 32 plus 7. 4 plus 2 plus 1. That is going to be the number that it just displayed. So that's going to be 103 is what it just displayed. So, and now it's even higher. It goes up each second. So that's pretty much what I had to code for, and it's pretty fun once you get down to it. But it's just really cool seeing something that you worked on work. So, sorry, it's my inner geek.